Harimau. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species of the genus Panthera. Tigers have distinctive stripes on their fur, in the form of dark vertical stripes on orange fur, with white undersides. Buaya. Crocodile. Crocodile is one animal that is very loyal to its partner. In research by the Savannah River Ecology Laboratory, 70% of alligators always choose the same mate every time the breeding season arrives. Ular. Snake. Snake life cycles vary widely by species. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live pups ranging from 1 or 2 newborns to nearly 100 pups. Beruang. Bear. Brown or grizzly bears can be dangerous to humans, especially if they are startled. In addition, they will attack if there are humans who are between the mother and her child.